It's a new dawn, it's a new day. And today the Himi is back. So it's been about 2 weeks since we went to the Netherlands, or maybe 3 weeks. 3 weeks. So it's been a while. The dealer had to order the parts, and it was busy and it took long. So yeah, it's been 3 weeks since we saw the Himi, but it's back. So we're gonna go for a little ride. What was exactly the problem, actually?
As we suspected, the clutch plate.
So the clutch plates, okay, and they just changed them and that's it.
They changed the clutch plate, they changed the chain, the sprockets, the valves. It's a big one.
The big one, a big service.
Yeah.
I don't think I ever saw it this clean. Maybe when you first bought it. So I have an idea. Maybe we can go for a ride and then after a while switch bikes, if you want.
Yeah, but there is something wrong with the steering also.
Oh.
I have to go back because this. So okay. when you turn in the middle, it stays there. So you have to. There's some resistance in the middle.
Okay, so maybe it's not a good idea to do that at this moment.
You can do it, but you will. It's strange. The steering is strange now.
Okay.
That's all.
So after 3 weeks at the dealership, it comes back and it's weird.
And he did a test rit and he said to me that there is something wrong with the ball head. So he has to order a part again.
But it wasn't before.
No, it
when
wasn't
we
before.
rode last time, it wasn't.
I didn't experience it now.
I think that's very weird.
It's weird, but I don't want to talk about it.
Okay.
It is what it is.
It is what it is, exactly. Good enough to go ride. I don't think the wheel will come off or anything, so just gonna go for a short ride and enjoy the last good weather here in Belgium, I think. I don't think it's gonna last very long, maybe a couple of weeks if we're lucky. And then the temperature is gonna go down and the weather is gonna go bad and all that shit. This is the part where we're gonna shut off the GPS and just start improvising. Just turning our heads and looking for fun roads. And this is one fun road that's not a forest and there's no sign that says you can't ride here, so it's okay. Let's do this. Don't take off-road tracks today because we're gonna do off-road tomorrow all day, but somehow we always end up in an off-road track because it's fun. Yet again, we're in the sand. How predictable is this? If we keep to the right, it's harder. Yes, I was right. But this is also a bike lane, so let's go here. Whoop, 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 whoop. just a little example. These signs is something you see more often and more often here in Belgium the last few years. You cannot ride here with a motorized vehicle, just bicycles and stuff like that, so we have to turn around. Alright, we arrived at the off-road track that we finally decided to do. I've been here before for a few videos in the past. It's a really fun track. It's quite easy. It's just fun. So yeah, let's just do this. I'm gonna change the angle of the camera. to infinity and beyond.